Merry Christmas, everybody. Let's get crafty. I will show you how to make Pokémon Snowflakes so fun. First, fold the paper like this several times. It's important to make perfectly even folds. Watch me. I put a small mark where I want to draw the Pokémon, then I unfold the paper to make the drawing. Today, let's make the best Pokémon in the world, the cat scratch Pokémon, Meowth. Everybody loves Meowth. So let's go. The key to making a snowflake is to leave at least one point on each side of the triangle not cut, so the snowflake won't fall apart. Here are the spots I will not cut. Here, 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 and here. Sorry, I know you can't see the lines. I'm not going to refilm the whole video though. Too much work. This one is more intricate. I will start off with a rough cut and clean it up later. Take your time. I use tough, sharp scissors to make these small cuts. Be careful, don't mess it up. Now you are finished. Hooray, you did a great job. I knew you could do it. Bye.